Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Try English. I'm Candice.
And I'm Julian. Today'sとらいhime's Enjoy cooking is let's make sparkling pineapple punch.
Ingredients: serves 2, pineapple, frozen berries, 200 milliliters ginger ale, 300 milliliters pineapple juice.
Instructions. Number 1. Cut the pineapple into small pieces and put them in the ice tray. Then pour the pineapple juice in the tray and put it in the freezer. Number 2. Put ginger ale and pineapple juice in a big bowl and mix them. Number 3. Put pineapple cubes and frozen berries in the bowl and mix them. Number 4. Pour in the glass and drink it.
Vocabulary list. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy cooking. Ingredients. Ingredients. Frozen berries. Frozen berries. Ginger ale. Ginger ale. Ice tray. Ice tray. Freezer. Freezer.
That's all for today. See you next time.